Dear students, welcome to our class today, if clause type 0 and type 1, revision. Learning objective. Today, we will learn how to make correct sentences using if clause type 0 and type 1. Please open your student book on page 135, grammar reference. Look at the box 0 conditional. When we talk about things that are generally or always true, we can use the 0 conditional. The 0 conditional sentence consists of two parts. The first part, present simple, and the second part is present simple as well. We can use if or we can use when. Let's take an example. If you drop metals in water, what happened? They sink. Excellent. Let's take another example. When you don't water plants, they die. Look at the verbs in red. Excellent. They are simple present. Good. Look at the two examples. The first example, we used if, and the second example, we used when. Excellent. Let's study the structure together. We start with if. After if, we use excellent, simple present, as in the example. You drop metals in water. We use after this clause, comma, good. After we put comma, we use simple present as well. They sink. Excellent. Look at this example. If you recycle, you help the environment. Look at the verbs in red. They are good, present, simple. Another example, if you leave the tap on, you waste a lot of water. Good. Yes. The verbs in red are present simple. Good. In student book, page 96. Look at the information in the blue box. Yes, we want to make sentences out of these information. Yes, good. Like the two boys here. Excellent. Let's do it together. Number one, excellent. If you leave the water tap on, you waste water. Number two, excellent. If you heat water at 100 Celsius, it boils. Number three, amazing. If you heat ice, it melts. And number four, look at number four and remember it is, yes, it is the negative form of present simple. If you don't water plants, they die. Number five, if it rains, ground gets wet. If you pollute lakes and rivers, fish die. Excellent, you did a great job. I want you to write down these sentences in your notebook. Now let's go back to student book page 135, grammar reference. Look at the box conditional sentences type 1. Yes, we use it to refer to something which may possibly happen in the present or future. Yes, the if clause here is simple present, and the main clause is future will. For example, if we pollute the sea, we won't have any clean beaches. Here, the main clause is negative one, won't. It is the negative form of will. The other example, wildlife will disappear if people destroy forests. Remember here, the last example, we can start with the main clause, but remember, when we start with the main clause, we deleted the excellent, the comma. We delete the comma. Now let's study the structure in deep. We start with if, excellent, and simple present. The main clause should be future simple. Good. Between the two parts, there should be comma. For example, here, if you help people, what will happen? Good. They will respect you. Excellent. Can you give me an example? Good. If we plant more trees, there will be more oxygen. Excellent. Another one, if more people use their bikes, there won't be so much traffic. Remember, the negative form of will is want. Okay? Good. Now, let's move to student book page 95, exercise 5. Work with a partner and think about solutions to the problem of the pollution in your town or area. Good. Let's make sentences together using type 1. Look at the blue box. Here we have the information and we want to make the sentence out of this information. Number 1, excellent. If you recycle more, there will be less rubbish. Yes. And number 2, if you walk to school, there will be less pollution. Number 3, if you turn off lights, you will save energy. Good. Number 4, if factories use filters, they won't pollute the atmosphere. Amazing. Look at this sentence. Remember, here in the main clause, we use the negative form of will, want. Last sentence, if you pick up rubbish, you will keep the environment clean. If you pick up rubbish, you will keep the environment clean. Good. Now let's move to workbook page 84. We want to use zero conditional and type 1. How can we protect the trees in the environment? Good. If you plant more trees, you protect trees in the environment. Good. How can we save energy? Amazing. If you turn off lights, you will save energy. How can we keep the planet clean? Amazing. If you pick up rubbish, you will keep the planet clean. Number 4, how can we create more oxygen on planet Earth? Yes, by planting trees. If you plant more trees, you will create more oxygen on the planet Earth. And number 5, how can we protect the atmosphere? Yes, good. If factories use filters, we will protect the atmosphere. Amazing. Remember, for the daily assessment, don't forget to do your daily assessment on Teams within 24 hours. Revision 1, if close, type 0 and type 1. Thank you.